When disaster strikes, whether it's fires, floods, or an earthquake, some essentials may become harder to find. Unfortunately, some try to take advantage of these emergencies to profit.
All right, Kirk, thank you. The bridge fire is now the largest active fire in California.
When businesses excessively raise prices during and after an emergency, it may be considered price gouging, a crime in California. When a state or local emergency is declared, the prices of essentials like groceries, gasoline, medical supplies, repair services, and housing can't go up by more than 10% in the affected areas. Protections against price increases last 30 days, while protections for contractor-related services last 180 days from the declared emergency. If you believe you're a victim of price gouging, save your receipts and file a complaint with the Department of Consumer and Business Affairs at dcba.lacounty.gov or call us at 800-593-8222.